Are you interested in creating videos using artificial intelligence? Look no further. In this 2-minute guide, we will show you how to make videos with AI. Step 1. Choose the right AI. Video editing tool. The first step is to select the appropriate AI video editing tool. There are several options available on the market, so make sure to choose one that suits your needs and budget. These tools use advanced AI algorithms to enhance your video editing experience. Step 2. Collect your video footage and upload it to the tool. Once you have chosen the AI video editing tool, it's time to gather your video footage. Collect all the videos and images that you want to include in your video and upload them to the tool's platform. This step allows the AI to access and analyze your content. Step 3. Let the AI work its magic. Now comes the exciting part. Once your footage is uploaded, the AI algorithms will automatically analyze and process the content. These algorithms detect faces, objects, emotions, and other elements in your videos, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of your content. Step 4. Customize and personalize your video. After the AI has analyzed your footage, you can start customizing and personalizing your video. The AI video editing tool will provide you with various options, such as adding filters, captions, transitions, and effects. Feel free to experiment and make your video unique. Step 5. Review and finalize your video. Once you are satisfied with the edits and customization, it's time to review your video. Take a moment to preview the final result and make any necessary adjustments. Ensure that your video flows smoothly and conveys your desired message. Step 6. Export and share your video. Congratulations! Your video is now ready to be shared with the world. Simply export it in your preferred format and save it to your device. From there, you can upload it to social media platforms, your website, or share it with friends and colleagues. With the power of AI video editing tools, creating videos has never been easier. Remember to choose the right tool. Gather your footage. Let the AI do its magic. Personalize your video, review it carefully, and finally share it with pride. Start making stunning videos with AI today.